In this video, we'll show you how to clean an iPhone charging port. If you're having trouble charging your battery, your phone's lightning port may be clogged with dust, dirt, or other debris. Here's how to fix it. Never blow on the port with your mouth, or use sharp metal objects like paper clips or knives. Instead, clean your charging port with softer tools, such as a cotton swab, toothpick, compressed air, or a bulb syringe. First, turn off your device. Then, blast a few short bursts of air into the port. When using compressed air, always hold the can upright, or water may come out and damage your phone. Now, turn it back on and try charging the battery. If it still won't charge, turn it off. Then use a toothpick to gently scrape out any debris and work carefully so it doesn't break. Finally, spray air one more time before turning it back on to see if it charges. Like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.